Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, well, when you see this video, it's going to be a vlog because Saturday is my sister's birthday. She'll be 67. Her name is Julia. I think I put a picture up before. If not, I will put her picture up. But I'm gonna do a little vlogging so you guys get a chance to see her. I did let them know that, well, everybody know I do have a YouTube channel. And I just wanted to do a little vlogging. So this video is going to be different. It's not going to be about hair care or anything like that. If you want to see more vlogging, let me know. You won't see everybody that's in my life because a lot of people don't want to be on camera, and I just have to respect that. So I'm here at my daughter's house. I picked up one of my granddaughters. Say hi, Jaslyn.
Hi.
So this is Jaslyn. Tell them how old you are.
I'm 7 years old.
She's 7 years old. Show them your fingernail polish. So she did her nails. She got that for Christmas. And what else? The lip gloss that's on your mouth?
Lip gloss.
And what else?
LOL puzzle.
LOL puzzle. And some pajamas. And what did you guys do last night?
We opened our stuff and put our stuff.
Okay. All right. So that's what they did. So I'm going to go wash my truck and then pick up some more things, and then I'm gonna drop her back off because she wanted to go with, and then I'm just going to be at home. That's basically it. Do a hot oil treatment, and yeah. So the next time you see me, I'll be hanging out with my sisters. We're going to be having brunch/dinner at the Cheesecake Factory. So I hope and pray that you enjoy the vlog. Thank you guys. Hey guys, I was going to give it to my neighbor, so I'm here at this restaurant in Mayfair, and it's called, what's the place called again? Giannos. And I'm here with my family, and tomorrow's my sister's birthday. She'll be 67 years of age, and we're out here celebrating with her. So,
and I cracked them and I roasted them, put them in the freezer.
say hi.
I won't work. That's what I'm saying.
Sleep fine. They're already cooked.
Say hello. Say hello.
Hey, happy birthday, Sugar Pie.
Say hello, Julia.
Hello, Julia.
So we're here, guys, waiting on the rest of the party. Everyone else is coming in. Okay, so we're just hanging out right now, okay? Waiting on our meals, waiting on the rest of the party, and I'll be back, and let's see what the rest of the day will bring.
We just sat down to eat.
Still waiting, guys. It's going to be a while because we're still waiting on other people to get here. But other than that, things are going good. How's everybody out there?
Okay.
Hope and pray that everybody is enjoying their weekend. Had a wonderful Christmas. It's a little noisy, little music. I don't want to have any copyright, so I'll be back to show y'all what I got that I'm going to be eating for dinner, okay? And I'll be right back. Okay, guys, this is my plate. I have a arugula salad. This is a ribeye sauteed in balsamic vinegar and roasted potatoes. So we're going to enjoy our meals, and I'll be back.
Money down up on this right here.
Okay, that was fun. We're getting ready to go. We've been sitting here for a minute, and this was a lovely restaurant. I really enjoyed myself. I really did.
So when they cash out me, yes, I know I'm locked in. I got my.
Let me know in the comments what you guys think, and let me know also what you had for Christmas. What did you do? What did the New Year's bring? All of that. Okay. So if it's the Lord's will, you guys will see me in the next video. Thank you guys ever so kindly for watching. Thank you. God bless you.
Where you could take.
Okay, guys, that's a wrap. This is my plate. This is all I could eat right now. I am truly full, and my family laughing at me. But anyway, this was fun. This was fun.
Say you ain't.